Hi, Princeton Tigers. Today we're going to be reviewing the distributive property, which you guys learned in both 6th and 7th grade. Okay, so when you have something that looks like these two examples here, and you're going to copy these down where it says notes on the distributive property, we need to do something called distributing. That's where we're multiplying the two outside the parentheses times the entire quantity in the parentheses. So we're multiplying the two outside the parentheses times the quantity inside the parentheses. In order to do that, you need to multiply the two times both values. So I need to multiply the 2 times the x, but then I also need to multiply this by 2 times the negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So I multiply 2 times x to get 2x, and 2 times negative 2, including that sign, to get negative 4. So let's try the next one. Again, we are distributing the value to the quantity. So I'm distributing 3 towards the entire quantity, which means that I need to do 3 times 2x. 3 times 2x is the same as 3 times 2 times x. 3 times 2 equals 6 times x. And then I'm doing 3 times the quantity positive 4. So it's plus 12. And so I get 6x plus 12. All right, let's continue doing the examples at the bottom. So the next one you have is 6 times 3x plus 1. Again, we're distributing that 6 to the entire quantity. So I'm doing 6 times 3x. 6 times 3x is 18x. Then I have a plus sign, and it's 6 times positive 1. So you keep the sign, and it's plus 6. Forgot my x, so you get 18x plus 6. Again, we have to distribute. Try distributing this one on your own. You'd have done 2 times 4x, which is 8x, minus, because we keep that sign, 2 times 2, which is 4. We're just going to keep going through examples, so you try one on your own, and then we go over together. So try the first one. We distribute 5 times x and 5 times 1. 5 times x is just 5x. Keep that plus sign, plus 5 times 1, which is 5. Now we do the next one. Go ahead, try it on your own. So we do 3 times 2x, which is 6x. Then we keep our sign, and we do 3 times 1. So we get minus 3. Always need to make sure you're multiplying that 3 by both values in the quantity. Last one. We'll do 2 times 4x, which is 8x. And then we keep our sign, our subtraction, and 2 times 5 is 10. You get 8x minus 10. Okay, so go ahead and try the last 3 distributive property problems on your own. And then we're going to turn to the back and go over some one-step equation problems. When you're with Ms. Mack, you'll be doing both distributive property and 2-step equations. All right, looking at the first one, what operation am I doing? I'm doing division, so how can I undo this division? By multiplying. 6 times 8 is what? 48. And then on the other side, I'm just left with my z. So z is 48, or 48 equals z. Next one, I have c plus 1 equals 1. I need to undo that addition. How do I undo addition? Subtraction. You'll end up with c equals 0. Last one, what operation are we doing with our x? We're dividing, so we need to undo that division by multiplying. You'll get x equals 88, or 88 equals x. Go ahead and finish up the one-step equations, and then go on SU Math.